In this video, we will learn WH Wh sound words. Wh, what? What is this? Wh, where? Where are my shoes? Wh, why? Why are they laughing? Wh, which? Which pet do you want? Wh, whale. This is a blue whale. Wh, white. This is a white rabbit. Wh, wheat. A farmer grows wheat. Wh, wheel. There are 4 wheels of my car.